To fix your washing machine smell musty, start by identifying the source of the odor. Musty smells in washing machines are often caused by mold, mildew, or bacteria that accumulate due to poor maintenance or high humidity. Begin by checking and cleaning the gasket, which is the rubber seal around the lid of your washing machine. Remove any visible debris and wipe it down with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. This will help eliminate any mold or mildew that may be growing in this area. Next, run a cleaning cycle on your washing machine. Check your user manual for specific instructions, as the process may vary depending on the model of your machine. If your machine does not have a cleaning cycle, set it to the hottest temperature setting and add a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to the drum. This will help kill any bacteria or mold that may be causing the smell. In addition to running a cleaning cycle, it is also important to regularly leave the lid of your washing machine open after use, allowing it to dry completely. This will help prevent moisture from accumulating and reducing the growth of mold and mildew. Another key step is to check and clean the detergent dispenser. Remove any built-up detergent and debris and rinse it thoroughly with warm water. This will help prevent the growth of bacteria and mold that can contribute to musty smells. To prevent musty smells from returning, make it a habit to regularly clean your washing machine and leave the lid open after use. You can also leave a small bag of baking soda or a washing machine deodorizer inside the drum to absorb any moisture and odors. By following these steps and maintaining your washing machine regularly, you can eliminate musty smells and keep your machine running efficiently and effectively. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular washing machine model.